Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DynamoDB to S3 using AWS Data Pipeline, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Data Pipeline service. Click on the Create New Pipeline button. Provide a name for your pipeline in the designated field. Select a pipeline template that suits your needs. For this guide, choose the Copy DynamoDB Table to S3 template. Configure the source DynamoDB table by entering its name. Next, specify the destination S3 bucket where the data will be stored. Ensure that the S3 bucket is located in the same region as your DynamoDB table. Set the frequency for your data export under the scheduling options. Choose whether you want to run this pipeline on demand or on a schedule. Review the pipeline configuration to ensure all settings are correct. Scroll down to the Pipeline Configurations section. In the IAM role field, select a role that has the necessary permissions for accessing both DynamoDB and S3. If you don't have a suitable IAM role, create a new one with the required permissions. Next, configure the data format for the export file in S3. You can choose between JSON or CSV format based on your requirements. Once you have reviewed all settings, click on the Activate button to start your pipeline. Wait for the pipeline to execute, which may take a few minutes. You can check the execution status on the pipeline dashboard. Once the pipeline status shows as succeeded, go to the specified S3 bucket. Verify that the exported data from DynamoDB is now available in your S3 bucket. Congratulations, you have successfully connected DynamoDB to S3 using AWS Data Pipeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.